Hi, my name is Windsor, and just like you guys, I'm cooped up at home with my mom. At first, I was upset, but my mom took the time to explain it to me. My mom told me that there's this virus that makes it hard for us to be around others, and you can't see it. But what you can do is make sure you keep your hands, house, and clothes clean. Now, I'm going to let my aunt show you guys what you can do to fight the virus.
Hi, you can use hand sanitizer, Clorox wipes, bleach, dish soap, and hand soap. What you cannot do is touch your nose, eyes, and your mouth.
Now, my aunt is going to show you guys how to wash your hands.
First, go ahead and roll up your sleeves. Then wet your hands. Pump some soap into your hands. And then wash your hands for 20 seconds. You can hum the song Itsy Bitsy Spider until your hands are nice and clean. When you're done, go ahead and wash your hands under the water. And you're done.